can't believe you thought you had one up on me. Now you're sitting there lonely and you can't even call me. Since then I've been in love with the money, and you can't even touch me. No, it's killing you slowly. You gon' notice how I walk when you see me, blowing up on your TV. Never thought you would miss me.
So hey guys, it's Tajai and I'm back with another video, and today this is going to be a hair review on this wig that I received from Elfinhair. I will have all of the info to the hair in the product description, but I just wanted to show you guys the wig that I received from them. So they sent me this 22-inch straight wig. It's super soft, super straight. I will definitely be using it again. So it's a full lace wig. The entire thing is full lace, which I love full lace wigs over wigs that have tracks in them, just because who wants to feel the track in the back of your head? So this is a full lace wig, very straight. So the wig, it was a transparent lace, and it also came with clips in the inside of it, and it also came with the little strings that you use to snap your head in the back. And I love when wigs have those, because if you don't, like, I always want to get my wig sewed down in the back. So I love, love, love when the wigs have the snapbacks in the back as well as the combs, because they just stay. So this is the lace. I'm not sure. So this is the lace. I'm not sure if you can see it well. It's already cut to my hairline. So yeah. I think I might straighten a little bit of the hair for you guys, just so you can see, because the hair is just not in its full potential right now. So I actually wore the hair for about 2 weeks. It gave me a long run, and 2 weeks is pretty long for me when it comes to frontals and wigs, because I just don't like them looking crazy. So it lasted me about 2 weeks, which is pretty good. And I took a lot of pictures in it, so I will insert a few photos that I took wearing the hair. So here's also a picture of the Elfinhair Instagram page, so you guys can go look at their Instagram, look at their website, and just look at all the different options they have for wigs, bundles, hair, all of that. Also, I want to say that this hair, I experienced no shedding. It was also very easy to comb through the hair in the mornings, all of that, because I know some hair that I have, like, I'll wake up in the morning and my hair is like matted and it's just hard to brush through, but I didn't have any problems in the morning, easy to style. The lace was very transparent and easy to glue down. So my hairstylist will always tell me whether he likes the lace that the people sent me, and I had no problems with this lace. And yeah, so I'm gonna blow dry some of this hair. Okay, so as you can see, the hair is very easy to blow dry through. So I'm just gonna straighten some of the hair so you guys can see. So the hair also does not really burn or anything when I straighten it. I don't want to smell anything, so that's a good sign, because I hate when hair just be burning off so fast. So I just straighten this piece right here. I will definitely be wearing this wig again. Okay, there it is in a few seconds, minutes. The wig is pretty straight. So that's a good sign. Imagine how in the mornings, literally, I get up, done. It took me no time to straighten it. None of that. So, like I said, again, all of the information to this wig from Elfinhair will be in the product description. Okay, so go check out the product description. Honestly, I would not, you guys know I would not recommend anything to you that I wouldn't 100% use myself, or I 100% didn't really like myself. So honestly, I would give this hair about a 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10. I mean, there's really no reason that I wouldn't give it a 10, so I guess it's a 10. Can y'all send me some more hair, please? Because this wig is really good. I want to color it, but you know, I also need to just have that one good like black wig that I can just have, because this one's really good. So I think I'm gonna keep this one black. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the information to this wig from Elfinhair will be in the product description below, so go check them out. Check out all their socials, check out their website, and if you're interested in buying a wig right now, you know where to go. And I love you guys so much. Make sure that you like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe right now. And I love you guys.
Really can't believe you thought you had one up on me. Now you're sitting there lonely.